Welcome back to the Adventure Truck Build. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to be putting the walls up. Now that we've got the stairs in, we can stop using the wall as a handle to get in the truck. We can put a finished wall on the wall. We're going to put this one up too. Let's get started. Alright, first thing we need to do is we're going to have Kemie measure this hole, and then I'm going to cut out some window hole.
You're going to cut out some window hole?
Yeah, some window hole.
Okay.
Is it not a window hole?
Sure.
What is it?
It's a window hole.
It's a window hole. Okay.
Alright, so this shouldn't be too bad to hang up this board. I'm going to just scrape off this excess foam, throw some Sikaflex up here, and then stick this up on the... Make a wall. Make a wall where there's no wall. It might not show, but it might show. We've had a lot of coffee today.
Yeah, we have. We've had a whole lot of coffee today.
Made one crucial flaw just now. This hardware, I did need to cut out the wood section to fit over this hardware. And I forgot to do that. And I already have my sealant on here. So now I've got to do it. Okay. Oh shoot.
Huh?
I cut the... Dang it. I cut the diesel can on the other side.
Ah, is it leaking everywhere?
Yep.
Damn.
That sucks.
Oh, such poop. Good thing it wasn't gasoline.
Yeah. This is going to be easier for somebody to grab from the outside.
From the outside?
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck? Can you see what I'm doing?
Kind of.
There we go.
Is it going?
Yep.
It's flowing?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, it's overflowing. It overflowed.
It overflowed?
Yes.
How? The tank only has 40% in it.
Well, it overflowed. Maybe the under hose is kinked. Maybe I bet you the vent is blocked by ice.
Oh. You gonna come out or you gonna stay back there?
I'm coming out.
You coming over the top?
Might. It's cold. I need you to catch me though.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, my phone's in my pocket.
Zip it.
Take it.
Okay.
Ah, my boob. How close am I?
About a foot.
Oh, damn.
Keep coming. I won't let you fall. There you go. Not too bad. You did that a lot more graceful than I thought you were going to.
About as graceful as a newborn baboon, but
No,
I'll take it.
that was pretty good, actually. Did you find those hinges?
no.
No.
No. I just started looking when you cut the diesel can.
Oh. Oops. Alright, so we have to come back to the door cutout later. We can't find the hinges. So we're going to switch gears and do this side kitchen wall.
Better
We didn't get done nearly as much as we wanted to, but that's going to be it for today.
We got a decent amount done.
Need to go to the store and buy some more hinges, or find the hinges we already bought. We bought them so long ago, I don't know if we're going to be able to find those. Do this last panel, and then that's it. That's the last wall piece that needs to come up. And we already have it. So if you like what you see, subscribe, and if you don't, subscribe anyway, because we're going to make better stuff later. See you guys next time.
Bye, guys.